What's up, guys? DJB, welcome back to another video. And I'm gonna do a little pack opening. It's not much, but I saved them. And let's see what we can pull. Okay, gold. Gold. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, 77. It's kind of bad. And I think this is our last one. Yeah, that was our last one. See if we can pull in these. I've been trying to pull some heat in these. Alright, let me stop. I've been pulling all golds. Whoa, 79. It's my first time pulling Ryan Tannehill. That was horrible. Ooh! Look at that pull. Hey, let's go. Our first elite. Let's get it. Oh my gosh. Dang, yeah, I was expecting the goal right there. Okay. Alright, the pack has been a little... Oh my gosh! Are you kidding? Two elites in the same pack. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. What a pull. Wow. This is sick. Alright. Same players in that one. Alright, one more. Can we get in the lead? And we won't. But wow. I'm gonna have to do another pack opening. But guys. Wow, got 3 elites. Wow. That's legit. That's legit right there. Let me see something really quick. Holy moly. Got so many of these gold players. Dang. Still keeps going. There we go. Got 69. I'm going to exchange it, but we pulled 3 leads. Wow. I cannot believe I pulled them both in the same pack, though. In the same pack. That was sick. That was sick right there, guys. I'm on 10%. Hold up, guys. I guess I'll get 2 of these packs. This is how I got it. And my suggestion is to help pull a good elites. I save them all up. And then, like, when you save them all up, just keep opening them and open them. And you have a good chance at getting them. But I didn't know you had a chance to get, like, out of a, oh my gosh, out of a, those, St. Patrick's. So, get it. Let's go, Elliot. Let's go. Good job by Elliot. Alright, this is my last one. Hopefully, we can get... What if we pull a diamond? Like, what if I pulled a 98 overall? That would be sick. But I doubt that. If I did, that would be so lit. But I'm going to save them on the bench. And then I'm going to go and open them. I'm going to show y'all the team after. Let's come on. No, the same players. And we get... Alright, so that one didn't go too well. But guys, here's my team. I'm grinding for that offensive guard so he can go right here. But my team, look at all these golds. But yeah, but my team is really good. Like, I got this and I got this Herman Moore there to pull. Check out that video if you didn't see it. And look at my defense looking saucy. My special team, I bought him And I got something on the auction block. And then I'm going to do some more pack opening. Dang, 5 minutes. Dang. But, oh yeah, these were set at 4:30. I mean, this resets at 4:30. So I should be able to, come on, yeah, hold up. Alright, so I should be able to get this, linebacker. I mean, oh, that's Holiday. This linebacker, he's not going to go on my team. I'm going to sell him. But I'm a Giants fan, guys, just in case y'all didn't know. We traded Odell, and I feel horrible about it. I really do. It sucks. But hey, life goes on. So I'm happy. Congratulate him to his new team, him and Jarvis. How y'all think the Browns gonna be next year, guys? Let's go. Wait, I might can get this card today. But hold up, guys. I'm gonna tell you when I have them. Alright. Peace. Unfortunately, guys, came short because EA is a big scumbag. So it gave me a timeout. And you know how, like, when you can't click resume. So, yeah, EA is a real scumbag. I should get in about 2 hours. Scumbag. But yeah, EA's a scumbag, guys. But, wait, hold up. I wonder who they gonna come out with. And I'm trying to get him. Then my offense will be completed for the year. I mean, not for the year, but for just all diamond. Boy, this Hermit Moore card is sick, though. Wow, this card is sick. What? Stop. Offensive tackle is lit, too. But, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and get me to 20 subscribers. I know some of y'all just watch the video and you don't even leave a like. Like, help me out, guys. I'm gonna start streaming all summer. I'm gonna grind, stream, try my best to stream all night. But DJ B out. Peace.